Alrighty, you can see I got the front exhaust off. I snapped that gum one bolt though. That sucks. That one's good. And that one is decent and decent. They really need to be took out and redone, but you know. Took that off the top. You can see it was completely eat out. Wow. It rotted out in the woods. Oh, nothing but tin anyways. Gotta get another muffler. I see it hiding down here. Boogers. Ooh, look at all them nuts and stuff up in there. Look at them lie. Look at her. Yeah, I gotta clean this thing out before we can get it on the car, a car. This needs a lot of work. But just showing you around the old 1960 engine. I think it's a 62 engine they put in there or something like that, type 2 or something. There's the number. But you know, it was in my 60. Pulled it out and it ran. You heard it running. And it was at least 20 years. But yeah, got that. I'm trying to get these out. Some are coming out, some are not. Those two come out, that one didn't. So maybe I can get this intake off. Unbolted this line, the other fuel line. Alrighty. Maybe I can add these videos together for you somehow or another. That one's sticking too. Need some vice grips, I guess, to get them off. Fun, yay. But yeah, that one come out. That one's come out. Hopefully those two right there come out. Then I can get this intake off. Lift the whole freaking top off. Shrouds at one shot. That'd be great. Getting those out of the way. But yeah, I took off all that over there. Some of the screws are coming out just right. So, alrighty, fun. Let you know what's going on. See ya.